Top 5 best landing page builders you need to see. Stop building landing pages that look terrible and convert worse. Look, in the world of paid ads, email campaigns, and affiliate marketing, your landing page isn't just a web page, it's your money-making machine. If it's slow, confusing, or not mobile optimized, you are literally leaking revenue. You don't need a complex website builder, you need dedicated tools built for speed and conversion. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best landing page builders that give you beautiful templates, high-speed loading, and most importantly, A/B testing, all designed to maximize your signups and sales. We're diving into Leadpages, GetResponse, Landingi, HubSpot, and ConvertKit to find the absolute best fit for your business goals. And remember, if you want to test out any of these conversion powerhouses right away, the direct links to grab the best deals are all waiting for you in the description below. Landing page builder number 1, Leadpages. Starting with the old school king of conversion, Leadpages. Leadpages is laser focused on one thing: getting leads. Their entire platform is built around minimizing friction, optimizing load times, and providing templates that are proven to convert. Why it's a top builder? They offer an extensive library of conversion-tested templates. You don't have to guess what works. Their templates come pre-optimized. They also offer unlimited lead collection and the ability to publish pages to any domain. If you are serious about lead generation and want a builder that cuts through the noise with simplicity and speed, Leadpages is your choice. If you want those high-converting, proven templates, don't wait. I've dropped the direct link for Leadpages in the description so you can jump straight into getting more leads. Landing page builder number 2, GetResponse. Next up we have GetResponse. While they started as an email marketing platform, their integrated landing page builder is a hidden gem. GetResponse is perfect if you're looking for an all-in-one system where your landing page and your email marketing system live under the same roof. Why it's a top builder? The seamless integration is the key value. When someone signs up on your GetResponse landing page, they are instantly, natively added to your list and can immediately trigger a follow-up autoresponder sequence. No Zapier needed. Their AI-powered builder can generate a page layout based on a simple prompt. This is ideal for marketers who value deep integration between sign-up and nurturing. This level of email integration is fantastic. To start building beautiful pages that automatically connect to your list, check out the GetResponse link I've included right below the video. Landing page builder number 3, Landingi. This is the specialized platform built for the agency or power user who needs fast, clean design and powerful integrations without unnecessary feature bloat. Landingi excels at providing a massive library of beautiful templates, all categorized by industry and goal. Why it's a top builder? Their advanced drag-and-drop editor gives you pixel-perfect control, making it easy to achieve professional, clean designs that load fast. They also make it incredibly easy to connect your pages to over 40 popular marketing tools. If your primary need is quick, customized pages for client campaigns or high-volume testing, Landingi is a winner. If you're looking for that pixel-perfect design control and extensive template library, you can check the free trial and sign-up link for Landingi in the description right now. Landing page builder number 4, HubSpot. Now let's look at a true ecosystem player, HubSpot. If you already use or plan to use their CRM for contact management, their landing page builder is the most powerful choice. The HubSpot builder is inherently tied to their free CRM, meaning every lead captured is instantly tracked, segmented, and scored within your database. Why it's a top builder? It's all about personalization and context. You can use data from your CRM to dynamically change content on the landing page based on who's viewing it. For example, showing a different headline to a first-time visitor versus an existing customer. If your strategy involves personalization and deep sales insights, HubSpot provides the smartest pages on the list. For marketers who prioritize deep data integration and personalization, HubSpot is absolutely worth exploring. You'll find the link to their platform and resources down there. Landing page builder number 5, ConvertKit. This platform is the absolute favorite of content creators, bloggers, and course sellers. ConvertKit's builder is intentionally simple, designed to get a beautiful sign-up page live in under 5 minutes with zero technical hassle. Why it's a top builder? Its strength is its simplicity and focus on creator monetization. The pages are clean, fast, and integrate seamlessly with their email sequences, product selling features, and paid newsletter tools. If you are a creator focused on building an audience and selling digital products, ConvertKit gives you maximum simplicity and results. Want the easiest way to launch a beautiful page and start growing your email list immediately? The link to grab ConvertKit is right in the description. So, which landing page builder is the absolute best fit for your business? Builder. Best for key value proposition. Leadpages is for pure lead generation, and its key value proposition is conversion-tested templates and focus on speed and simplicity. GetResponse is for all-in-one email marketing, and its key value proposition is seamless native integration with its own powerful email and automation suite. Landingi is for agencies and high customization, and its key value proposition is pixel-perfect design control and a massive categorized template library. HubSpot is for CRM integration and personalization, and its key value proposition is dynamic content personalization based on CRM data. And ConvertKit is for content creators and solopreneurs, and its key value proposition is maximum simplicity, fast launch times, and easy digital product selling. To get started with these powerful platforms and check out their latest pricing, I've dropped my recommended affiliate links for all 5 right down in the description below. This is the year you stop relying on ugly, slow pages and start using a dedicated tool built to increase your conversions. If you found this breakdown of the best landing page builders helpful and want to support me, the best way to do that is to use those links in the description of this video when you sign up. Which of these top 5 builders are you going to use to launch your next high-converting campaign? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Tech Biz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Go build your empire. Peace.